Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Top Listen for You. Dear friends, as after discussing about the body plans, body positions, body movements, right? And then we discussed about the anatomical positions. Now, while introducing anatomy, we have some cavities in our bodies, right? In the human body, there are some cavities in which the vital organs of the body are placed and they are well protected there, right? So what are those cavities? Let us see in these diagrams those cavities. Let me write first of all what is cavity. Body cavities, right? Okay. So we mean by this, we mean body cavities. Body cavities, in our body we have some empty spaces, right? Some cavities in which the vital organs are placed and they are well protected there, right? So what are body cavities? Body cavities are empty spaces, right, in which vital organs are placed and protected. Clear, friends? So body cavities in our body cavities are the empty spaces in which the vital organs of the body are placed and they are protected there, right? So there are two major body cavities that we have in our body. There are two groups of major cavities. Look, friends, as this is the ventral side and this is the dorsal side, right? So I will write this is the ventral. Okay, and this is the dorsal side. Okay, you are looking at this man from the lateral view. So this he's standing like this. This will be its ventral side and that is the dorsal side. And you are looking at this person anteriorly, right? So you can see majorly the body cavities are divided into two classes. First, the ventral cavities which are present in the ventral side of the body and the dorsal cavities which are present in the dorsal side, right? So cavities are divided into, the first one is the ventral cavities, or cavity, right? Ventral cavity is the cavity which is present in the ventral side of the body, right? Now you can see in the ventral side, friends, 1, 2 and 3. 3 cavities are present in the ventral side, right? And in the dorsal side of the body there are 2 cavities. This one the cranial cavity and this one the spinal cavity, right? So let us divide it. The ventral cavity. In the ventral cavity which is present on the ventral side, of body, this is called the ventral cavity. Now in our ventral cavity we have how many cavities? 3 cavities. First, above the diaphragm, right, here is the diaphragm. Above the diaphragm there is the thoracic cavity. Below the diaphragm there is abdominal cavity, and below the abdominal cavity there is the pelvic cavity. Or some books says that these cavities are considered as one cavity, that is called abdominopelvic cavity, right? But we write them separately. Look carefully, friends. In the ventral cavity we have how many cavities? 3 cavities. We have the thoracic cavity, Clear, friends? I told you in the ventral cavity we have the first one, the thoracic cavity, the second one, abdominal cavity, right? This one. And the third one that we have in the ventral side is the pelvic cavity. Pelvic cavity. Clear, friends? Okay. Listen carefully. In the abdominal cavity, we have abdominal viscera. Abdominal viscera. What is meant by abdominal viscera? Abdominal viscera means the stomach is placed here, liver is placed here, pancreas, spleen, small intestine, large intestine, right? These are kidneys. They are present in the abdominal cavity. Then the pelvic cavity, we have the pelvic organs. Pelvic organs like what? Like female reproductive system, right? Like urinary bladder, like ureters, last part of ureters, right? Like seminal vesicles. We have all of them. But don't worry, friends, I will record about each organ and each organ which are placed in the different cavities of the body. I will record about them, don't worry. But right now we are just classifying the body cavities. Okay, so in the ventral side, we have how many cavities? 3 cavities. The thoracic cavity above the diaphragm, the abdominal cavity below the diaphragm, and the pelvic cavity below the abdominal cavity. Now this shows from the lateral aspect, lateral view. Now let's see this thoracic cavity in the anterior view, right? Look carefully. This is our diaphragm, right? So above the diaphragm we have thoracic cavity. Below the diaphragm we have abdominal cavity, and below the abdominal cavity we have the pelvic cavity. So let me write their names. This is our abdominal cavity. Okay. As I told you, here are the abdominal viscera about which we will record. Don't worry, while I am classifying the abdominal quadrants and the abdominal regions, I will record about each organ. This is our pelvic cavity. Pelvic cavity. Done. So pelvic cavity, abdominal cavity, and this is our thoracic cavity, right? So look, in the thoracic cavity we have some sub cavities. We have some other small cavities. What are those? First of all, these are 1 and 2, right and left, pleural cavities. Pleural cavity. The right pleural cavity and the left pleural cavity. These cavities are surrounded by special membranes which are called pleural membrane, right? So these cavities are for lungs. Lungs are located in these pleural cavities. Okay, so look, in the thoracic cavity we have what? We have sub cavities. Here we have other small cavities. The first one is the pleural cavity. Pleural cavity. How many pleural cavities we have? We have 2 pleural cavities. In these pleural cavities, what are located, friends? Lungs are present in the pleural cavities. Okay, the right and left pleura are present or lungs are present. Then, in between the 2 pleural cavities, we have the pericardial cavity, right? So this is our pericardial cavity. Pericardial cavity is the cavity in which your heart is located, right? So here our heart is located, and this pericardial cavity is surrounded by pericardial membrane, right? So this is the cavity for the heart. So in the thoracic cavity we have 2 right and left pleural cavity. The second one that we have is called the pericardial cavity. In the pericardial cavity, what is present there? Heart is located in the pericardial cavity. Heart, right? So in thoracic cavity, we have the pleural cavity, we have the pericardial cavity, and this third one, this one is called the upper mediastinal cavity, right? This one, this is called the upper mediastinal cavity. Upper mediastinal cavity. Clear, friends? So look, in the ventral side of the body, right? Ventrally we have how many cavities? Large cavity, 3. The thoracic, the abdominal, and the pelvic. The thoracic cavity has 3 subcavities: the pleural cavities, pericardial cavity, upper mediastinal cavity. The abdominal cavity contains the abdominal viscera, and the pelvic cavities contain pelvic viscera. Right. So these are the ventral cavities. Now in the dorsal side of the body, there are 2 cavities. So let me write here the dorsal cavity, or dorsal cavities. So we have how many cavities in the dorsal side? Look, if you are standing in anatomical position, as I have shown you, so this cranial cavity will go a little bit backward. That's why we put it in dorsal, right? So dorsal cavity contains which cavities? The first one, here you have your cranial cavity, right? This one done. Then this one is your spinal cavity. Spinal cavity. So in the dorsal side of your body, you have how many cavities? 2 cavities. The first one is the cranial cavity. Cranial cavity is the cavity in which your brain is located, right? So it contains the brain in cranial cavity. And then there is the second cavity in the dorsal side, that is called the spinal cavity. Spinal cavity, right? In the spinal cavity, your spinal cord is present. Spinal cord. Right. So dorsally we have how many cavities? We have 2 cavities, cranial cavity and the spinal cavity. These are the 2 major cavities in our body, right? The ventral cavity, the dorsal cavity. Dorsal cavity has 2 cavities. The first, here is your spinal cord present in the spinal cavity, and here is your brain present. This is called the cranial cavity. And ventrally we have 3 subcavities that I have shown you. Other than this, friends, if someone asks that we have other cavities or not, so yes, we have some other cavities also in our body which are small cavities. These are the large cavities, but we have also some other small cavities in our body, like the oral cavity, right? Like oral cavity. It is also a cavity, but a very small cavity. Then we also have the orbital cavities, right? Orbital cavities. We have 2 orbital cavities. Then other than this, we have the nasal cavity, right? This is a nasal cavity. It is also a cavity. Then the fourth one, we have in our ears, we have the middle ear cavities. Middle ear cavities. Right, friends? So we have also these small cavities also we have. So there are orbital cavities, oral cavity, nasal cavity, and middle ear cavities. These are also present in our body, but they are the small cavities. So the large cavities, major cavities, are the ventral and dorsal cavities, and inside them they have the other small cavities. So this was, friends, about the body cavities. Inshallah, in the next lecture, I will record about the abdominal quadrants and abdominal regions and the organs which are situated in the abdominal quadrants and abdominal regions. Clear, friends? So see you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.